We are at
The Guggenheim.
the Googie.
Tricked them with a little Otterbein ID, which, as you see, no expiration date.
Stay with it. Working it.
Walking to St. Nick. Where are we going, Laura? How do you pronounce it? Sinopolis?
I was going to say Sinopolis or Sinopolis.
Sinopolis.
Gross.
To see
Moonlight, which currently has a 99% on Rotten Tomatoes.
no chill.
No small feat. It has been, by many people I know on my newsfeed and critics, claimed to be the best movie of the year, their favorite movie of the year. So I am very pumped.
And I
has
am accompanying
Mr.
her.
Ali from House of Cards, and then actors that I should know their name but I don't, and then breakout stars.
That's check, check, and check
It's the recipe for a ride.
of our lives.
Yeah.
And then I guess I'll tape for you. You can see there's a real method to my madness. So from my understanding, charcoal pulls impurities from your skin, brightens the tone,
Brings it forward into the mask, if you will.
Oh, I would laugh if it wouldn't crack this.
It's not even dry yet, sucker. You can crack a smile.
Well, what do we have to say for ourselves? There's that scarf.
I know. One of these perfumes I was wearing on the bus yesterday started making me feel sick. I don't think I'll be able to keep it in my room anymore. I think I gotta give it away.
I am grateful. I'm grateful to have a warm house. And I'm grateful to really so many things, but
Be able to have a lot of flexibility. No, I'm kidding.
I'm grateful to have all of my faculties.
That's real.
To be,
real.
you know, to have a working body.
Ooh. Yes. Yes.
And then one piece of advice would just be to be kind while you're shopping, because remember the holiday that we just followed, so don't be nasty. How's it going, Andrew?
Tommy, why are you asking me?
Well, you know, it's a big day. How's we following the schedule?
There isn't one. So yes.
Can you tell us who you're wearing right now?
No.
Oh, he's a sucker for a button. Come
For
thither.
like the past 25 years, we've been doing it with a sponge. Turn me off.
Final words.
Skip it.
Kate, what are you gonna eat for Thanksgiving?
She said a whole lot of nothing.
I don't want to still look pretty. Oh, wow, you've been told about.
Bearded collie, Zach. Zach won the group here the last two.
Alright, hit us, Lara. 2 things you're thankful for, 1 piece of advice.
2 things I'm thankful for. Thankful for a house with heat. Also thankful for family and friends that keep me honest and aware of what's going on in the world today. I would say don't participate in Black Friday. And put your money towards better causes. Don't be part of the capitalist machine.
Give me a look.
The whole point was that no one would see me doing this. I should have walked to the other side of the table.
So, it's post-dinner time. There's somebody underneath the table.
Laura, I hate to tell you this, Tommy already shot it.
We're still gonna use it. Working from foreground.
No more now because they're doing
Green bean casserole.
green bean casserole.
Crafted by Andrew Betts.
I think
Kale and bean casserole.
But this is a vegan stuffing.
But we don't know what the cutoff is.
That's a long arm. How did you manage that?
You should have seen her. She was playing with the ball.
You could probably get them both for under 50.
Andrew.
Andrew, she's reaching out already. Reach out. Maggie, you gonna be a good girl? Yeah, she is. She's showing us her she's following it, yeah. Alright, so all the desserts are on the table. Thanks, Aunt She's so long through her neck. Cake, a glass ring. Okay, let her have it. She's going.
Okay, let her have it, Andrew.
Will be a very special Christmas for me. Are you singing? You're supposed to be curled up in the fetal position. I know, I'm sorry that I'm so late for filming this. I just spent hours in the makeup chair, as you can see, so. Two pieces of things grateful. I am grateful for having a family that I actually like. And the means to make delicious food. Words of advice to Black Friday shoppers are buy used and be kind.
Stretch it more. More.